How's it going, folks? ShOpMoNkEy here. This isn't my normal type of video, but with the new craze going around on the internet of how fucking retarded fucking stupid kids are, I'm showing you this. This is my jug of Tidepods from sometime early this year. Or end of last year. Sometime recently, within the last couple of years. Look at the warning labels. There's not. Eye irritant, may be harmful if swallowed. Yeah, you know, just the simple, easy stuff. And then you got a couple little tiny pictures on the back. Now, with all these fucking stupid-ass motherfucking retards that are eating these fucking things on the internet, look right here. Big, bold fucking signs on the front of it. Do not ingest. Big warning on the front. Harmful if put in mouth or swallowed. I mean, come on! It's fucking laundry detergent! How fucking stupid are you? You don't eat laundry soap! That is all.
Pretty much.